Davinci Resolve 19 full version is finally here, and in this video we're going to try to download it in roughly 3 minutes. This video is specifically for downloading on Windows. If you need to download for a Mac, go ahead and check the link above and that'll take you to that video. Okay, so to get started we're going to go to blackmagicdesign.com. And then once we're there, we're just going to scroll down until we find Davinci Resolve 19 and click on that. And once you come down to here, you can click free download, or if you want the studio version, you can select that. I'm just going to hit the free download. That'll bring this window up here. And on the left here, we have Davinci Resolve 19 free version. On the right, we have the Davinci Resolve Studio 19. And these 4 menus here we have for Mac OS, Linux, Windows 86, and Windows ARM. Most people are using Windows 86, which is what we're going to download in this video. However, if you have the new Snapdragon chips in your computer, then the Windows ARM is the one that you would look for. And it's basically the same type of setup. So I'm just going to select Windows 86. Then I'm going to go ahead and put all my information in. And last, we select register and download. Once you click that, it will automatically start downloading. And when it's finished, I'll be back with you. Okay, so now that we are downloaded, I'm going to come here and I'm going to select that. Let's open it up and we will double click this, Davinci Resolve 19 for Windows. Select yes. I'm just going to select install. And now let's follow what the wizard says. So I'm just going to select next. I accept the terms and conditions. Next, next, install. Now that the wizard's done, I'm just going to select finish. Installation complete. Okay. Let us just minimize all of that. Double click Davinci Resolve to open. Okay, and as you can see, we have the Davinci Resolve Studio 19. And that's how you download Davinci Resolve 19 full version. Be sure to be subscribed, as I'm going to release a video specifically about features on Davinci Resolve 19. And I'll see you in the next one.